Pineapple Hill, the Pinnacle of Paradise. 99 luxurious detached villas on half-acre lots terraced within lush landscaping above the fabulous bay course. From walls of glass and private pools, experience a dazzling panorama of spouting whales and sailboats before the cloudscaped island of Molokai. The sunset views are spectacular from this gated paradise. Enjoy fee-simple ownership of customized 3 to 5 bedroom plans from 2,300 to 3,400 square feet with special privileges at the resort.